The products in this video is brought to you by mbriks, your magnetic block companion.
Enjoy!
Hey, what's poppin'? It's your boy 𝗺𝗶𝗀 back in another video. Today I have a very interesting product to show you. It's Lego bricks that take your creations to another level, and I mean that in both ways. If you want to get some of these magnetic bricks, check out mbriks store at mbriks.com or check out the link in the description. Anyways, when you open this cool packaging, inside you get a user's guide of some useful information, including some tips and tricks, and your magnets. Another cool thing mbriks sells on their store is this magnetic board on which you can build your Lego creations. On the back of the frame, there's some clips, a picture stand, and a frame so you can customize the background and display your Lego creations. The bricks themselves are very strong and magnetic on all sides, including this way, this side, this way, and also like this. You could also put these bricks on your refrigerator, so you can have Lego in the kitchen now. I also built a Lego model to demonstrate the magnet's functionality. On the left there's a tree with a stone, and on the right side there's a small little castle, which on the back side there's a magnet brick to hold it up, of course, and a little barrel. And for a minifigure to travel across these islands, I built a little bridge. You can also put these magnets on Lego vehicles. But when you build a Lego creation using these magnets, make sure you don't cover up the magnet so it sticks onto the board. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed building this product, so make sure to check out mbriks.com to get yourself some Lego magnets, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
By the way, did you enjoy this video? Check out some other videos here.